Hello friends, welcome to the Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOOSTAR Super Compact GEM10 Mini PC. So friend, Mini PC manufacturer AOOSTAR has unveiled brand new GEM10 Mini PC which offers AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS CPUs with upscaling in a compact shape, and the world of mini PCs is getting more vibrant each day with new compact and powerful solutions. It comes equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS with 8 cores and 16 threads based on Gen 4 core architecture. The CPU has a base clock of 3.8 GHz, boost clock of 5.1 GHz, 16 MB of L3 cache and TDP ranging from 35 to 54 watt. It also comes with Radeon 780M IGPU which has compute at 27 MHz and friend cooling in the dynamic chassis which is CNC machine is achieved with the Glacier 2.5 system allows for 3 power modes adjustable through the BIOS, and the cooling solution is said to operate with a noise output of under 40 dBA. And thread other hardware specifications include support for LPDDR5 6400 memory which can be overclocked up to 75 Hz 70 per second speeds through the BIOS, triple NVMe 4.04 slots, dual 2.5 GBE, Ethernet ports, 2 HDMI 2.1 and single USB 4 3D output. Wireless connectivity comes in a form of Wi-Fi 6 and with a 5.2 support, and friend there are also 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and power is provided through a 19-volt DC jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.